Hey, real quick question. When was the last time you scrolled for hours, feeling entertained for a moment, but empty afterward? Yeah, most of us do it. We chase dopamine hits, more shows, more reels, more noise. But deep down, we don't need more entertainment. We need an outlet. Something that actually builds you up, something that grows with you over time, something you can chip away at even in 15 to 30 minutes packets during the day. Think about it. Life's busy, job, family, responsibilities. You can't drop everything for a new hobby that demands hours every day and fancy gear. But what if there was something what fit around your real life while quietly turning you into a better communicator, teacher, creator, and yes, eventually someone with real leverage. That's exactly what happened to me with YouTube. Not because I chase fame or viral views, but because it became my daily outlet and it changed everything. Let me take you back a few years. In 2020, I was stuck in the loop, work all day. No, that was during pandemic. Come home exhausted. It's like there is no hope anymore. We do not know then if this pandemic is forever. Okay? So, scroll mindlessly, feel like I was going nowhere. I had ideas, things I knew, things I cared about, but no way to express them. No creative time, no budget for cameras, microphones, lights. I told myself, YouTube is for people with time and money and not me. Then one day, I hit a wall. I realized I was spending 2 to 3 hours a night entertaining myself but building nothing. So I made a tiny decision. What if I just started recording? Back then, it was cooking show, and then became inspirational, and then it became daily habits, and then now it became I had some videos also with regards to finances, and of course technical, and then today we are doing political insights. Okay, but you know, that was a good decision talaga. With what I had, my phone in my room, no script at first, just talking about something I knew. And then, of course, web camera, laptop, etc. First video, terrible lighting, awkward poses, maybe couple of views only, including my mom, no, not my mom, including my friends, etc. No. My mom got died 2017 pala. Yan. But something shifted. I kept going. 10 minutes, few hours, 20 there, edited on free software, learned how to cut boring parts, how to speak clearer, how to explain ideas so people actually got it. Okay. Over months, it wasn't just posting videos. I was building skills, communicating clearly under pressure, teaching in a way that sticks, creating systems, thumbnails, titles, simple workflows. Most importantly, most importantly, showing up consistently even when no one was watching. And the videos, they start compounding. They started compounding. One video from last year still brings in views today. It's passive. It's leverage. Now, I have an income stream that isn't tied to trading hours for pesos. Yeah, it's small, but over time, that can be huge also. I can make a video in packets of time, and it works for me while I sleep, while I'm with my family, while I'm living in real life. It wasn't about going viral. It was about building something that grows one small step at a time. Here's the truth most people miss. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You need to stop waiting for enough time or enough money and start treating creations like a muscle. Small packets add up. 10 minutes, few hours a day editing, recording. That's progress. One video a week, that's leverage building. And the best part, the skills transfer everywhere. Better conversation at work, clear thoughts, confidence, even side income that feels earned, not lucky. I used to think creators were gifted or had secret resources. Nope. Most of us started exactly where you are, doubting, busy, brokish. Um, the difference, we started anyway, imperfectly, in tiny packets, and it snowballed. If any of this is hitting home, if you've ever thought, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't have the time, the gear, the budget, I you know, this channel is an inspiration to all of you. No hype, no get rich quick, no pressure to buy anything. No, just the clear, no BS path. I wish someone gave me at the start. Here's what this is what we intend to do, no? What actually matters at the beginning. No need for fancy gadgets. What is important is you can be able to start. What you can completely ignore right now, perfectionism, trends, buying gear, chasing algorithms, too early, the stuff that paralyzes most people. How to begin with zero spending, using just your phone, the camera of your laptop, free apps, and whatever time you already waste scrolling. We will talk niches that fit busy lives, simple video ideas you can shoot in couple of minutes, editing shortcuts, and how to make your first few videos without burning out. In short, actionable modules you can do in the same small packets of time. And all of this is free because I remember how overwhelming it felt. And someone giving me a clear starting line would change everything sooner. So, if you are tired of just consuming, if you want an outlet that builds you instead of numbing you, head the link in the description. No? Okay? Ayan. So we are planning to do that. No? Grab, subscribe. No? Start today. Even if just watching the first um, couple of videos that we have, one video at a time, around real life. That's how leverage starts. That's how I started. And that's how you can too. Yan. Okay, so thanks for watching. Comment down below. What's one thing holding you back right now? I will reply. Subscribe for more real talk. See you in the next videos that we have. And maybe one day in your comments, cheering you on. Take care and have a great day. God bless you all.